Hi friends, are looking for unbiased fritreels.com reviews? If yes, then stay tuned with me till the end of the video, as through this video I will help you to know about the legitimacy of this particular shopping website. Also, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. And before starting, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the homepage of the website, and over this website you can see that Frit Reels offers a special collection for women's such as saris, printed kurtis, designer kurtis, gowns, cotton kurtis and much more. And guys, the most attractive part here is the prices of these dresses, which seems too good to be true. So before buying anything from this shopping website, let's check its authenticity. Guys, before proceeding further, I would request you to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Now let's check the payment details. So here we can see that the available payment options are Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, Discover, RuPay, Net Banking and cash on delivery. Now let's check the delivery and shipping policy. So here we can see that they have stated that all orders will be processed and shipped within 1 to 2 business days of ordering. And guys, shipping charges are not disclosed over the official website. Therefore, now let's have a look on return and refund policy. So here we can see that their return and refund policy lasts for 13 days of the receipt of the product, and nothing clearly is specified about the refund procedure, which is quite a negative point. Moving on to check the cancellation policy. So again here we can see that no information related to cancellation policy is disclosed. So again it's a negative highlight. So guys, now it becomes very important to know the way to contact their customer service. Therefore, let's check the contact details. So guys, here we can see that nothing is disclosed, neither the email ID nor the contact number and office address. Addition to this guys, Frit Reels lacks presence on social media platforms also. So again, it's a negative highlight. Therefore, now let's check the registration details of fritreels.com. So guys, the domain name of Frit Reels was registered on 21st November 2021. Thus the website does not have much traffic as it was registered just a couple of days back. Now let's talk about the customer reviews, because guys, customer reviews are one of the most critical factor in identifying the legitimacy of any shopping website. So here on the official website you will see that there is no section for customers feedback, and as I said, it was registered just a couple of days back. So over the internet I could not find even a single customer review regarding the quality of the products offered on fritreels.com. Addition to this guys, 100% of the content over the website is copied as it matches with many other scam shopping websites. So guys, again it's a negative highlight. Therefore guys, closer look at fritreels.com reveals many red flags, and based on all these red flags I would suggest you not to buy any product from this shopping website even with cash on delivery option, because in case of cash on delivery option also you would be able to receive the product only after making the payment to the courier service, and once the payment is made then you won't be able to return it because this is a fraud website. So prevention being a better option, I would recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website because there is a high risk of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So guys, it was all about the unbiased fritreels.com reviews. And apart from this friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below, because after all we are here to spread the awareness about scams. So let's do it together. Let's save innocent people from scams. Also guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from online fraud. Bye bye guys, stay alert, stay informed.